Hello and welcome to AWS Community Chats. I'm your host, Aley Hammer, and today we're interviewing Gerald Thomas, the CEO from Rassure. Gerald, welcome to the show. Can you start by telling our audience a little bit about Rassure and what it is that you guys do?
Thank you, Aley. Rassure is an Australian company. We are based in Sydney, Lisbon, Mumbai, Guangzhou. And our key focus is revenue auditing. And we have a platform that detects revenue leakage right across the entire life cycle of a ticket, from booking to the last coupon being flown. Now, our competition has to make compromises on what tickets they audit. And this largely being driven by the information costs of processing information and of labor costs. But because we are based on the AWS platform, we can actually audit every last single ticket. And what this means is that we found that on occasion, we've been finding 10 times more revenue leakage than what competition has been able to find. And so this takes us to something more than being simply a revenue audit system. RACS is a system that can help guard the integrity of airline fares.
Wow, that's extraordinary. And the fact that you're the only platform that can detect the revenue leakage across the whole life cycle of every ticket from that booking stage is really cool. And Gerald, can you share with us how having your solution on a public cloud has helped deliver a better solution for your customers?
Yes, we chose a public cloud solution for three reasons. One is scalability. We've been able to scale up from our startup days of being a very small company to now where we are processing over hundreds of thousands of transactions a day. And we've been able to do this entirely within the AWS platform. Same technologies, but just being able to just add more and more processing capacity. Secondly, and this was quite important to us, being acceptable to our airline clients, being a startup and all, and that is the secure environment and credibility that AWS provides. So to be able to say that we are within that security environment of AWS instantly made us acceptable to airline IT departments. And the last reason is that we are future-proofed. As we look ahead to the evolution of our platform, the technologies that we are interested in are all available within the AWS. And so we are able to, even now, undertake experiments and try out some of these technologies in order to find the best fit for purpose for our needs.
Thank you so much for sharing that. And I guess what I want to know is, what is the current trend in the aviation space that Rassure is actually helping to solve?
The problems we're trying to solve for the airlines is not new. It's been around for decades. But the ability to solve it has changed tremendously, right? And it's been able to do that due to three major trends that have been helping with this. One is obviously the big data technology, the ability to handle and process huge amounts of data. We have terabytes of data right now that we are wrangling. And the second is digitization. Airlines have been on a steady journey of digitization. So what has been paper-based is now increasingly electronic. It's digitized. Some of our competitors can still remember auditing, the paper coupons that used to arrive in shoeboxes. Rassure, on the other hand, has been born in the cloud from day one, right? So we've been riding this digitization trend where the data is now available, and airlines are able to share them in a secure way. And the last trend is reducing the cost of IT. And this is particularly important to airlines recovering from COVID. It's always been a challenge, but even more so with recovering from the COVID shutdowns. And with the platform that we have, we're able to provide a highly economical solution to airlines, and a highly scalable one that can work with the small traffic that they have at present and go up tenfold if necessary as they recover back to their old traffic.
Wow, that's really interesting. And I agree with you. I mean, big data and digitization are definitely helping solve these issues. So Gerald, to wrap up this interview, are there any future technologies that you're excited about that will actually help your customers in the future?
Our goal is really revolved around solving the customer's problems. And so there is, much more complex revenue protection challenges that airlines face that so far, no one's been able to solve. And we want to solve that. And we want to do that in a more real-time manner. And this means, marshaling terabytes of data and being able to present results in a clear way. And in order to do that, we're going to be delving even further into those big data platforms. One new product that we have under development right now, we call it Distribution Watch. And it's our answer to the traditional BIDT audit. And and this will take it from being simply a back office activity to the front office of an airline. And we're really looking forward to launching this new product. And, always, thinking ahead, at future products, we're really pleased to have this partnership and support of AWS in this.
Thank you so much, Gerald. Thank you for coming on the show. And if anyone has any questions, please pop them in the comment section below and we'll get back to you. Thank you so much.